All right, let's talk about how you can delete multiple rows or columns based on criteria in Excel. So here we just have some random data. We have location, product category, sales, revenue, and if this line item has been signed off or checked off yet. Now we can see that there are a couple of no's, yeses, a couple blank spaces, and basically we want to remove or delete all the rows that have yes in them or that have been signed off. So we can do that by clicking any cell and hit Control F on your keyboard. Or you can go to the Home ribbon, go over to Editing, Find and Select, and hit Find. It'll bring up this menu box. Basically, the first thing we need to do is find all of the yeses. So we'll type yes here, and we'll go ahead and hit Find All. Now, that's going to display all the locations down here that have a yes value. Now, what we need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of this last value or this last found yes. Hit Shift and click. And that's going to highlight all of the yeses for you. Then we can exit out of this box, and you'll notice that all of the yeses are highlighted. Then, if we hit Control minus on our keyboard, this menu box will appear. And we're going to want to select entire row. If you've gotten this far in the video, please hit the like button. It helps me out so much. And don't forget to subscribe if you're really feeling up for it. And then we'll hit OK, and that will delete all the rows that had yes as they were signed off, keeping all the no's or the blank ones that we have. Now you can do the same thing with columns here. Say that both of these categories said sales and we wanted to remove both these categories. Obviously we could just select them, right click and delete, but instead of having all your data displayed vertically like this, you could have it displayed horizontally. So if that's the case, you can follow the same process. You can hit Control F to bring up this find and replace box, type sales, which is what we're looking to remove, find all, shift click the very last item to select them all. Then we can exit out of this box, Control minus, this little box will appear, and instead of selecting entire row, we can select entire column. And then once we hit OK, it should remove columns C and D from our data. So we'll go ahead and hit OK, OK, and that's going to remove both of those columns. But there you have it. That's how you can delete multiple rows or columns based on criteria in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.